What is this? Oh, cool.
Blue glass is broken off.
Just got to Madison, Wisconsin. We saw the Yahara River here. Came down and looked. Saw a little bit of trash in here. So we are going to start cleaning this up. It's getting chilly already. I got a tape here, some super silent phase accuracy cassette mechanism. Just cleaning up trash, looking for treasure, old bottles, dangerous stuff, stolen stuff, lost stuff. Always an adventure. It's distracting me. Got a milk bottle, Mansfield. It's opening up more. Got an arrow and another bottle here. Oh, a piece of blue glass. Looks like someone's frisbee or something. Little vase or something. Oh, that's a cool one. A flip phone. First phone today. Look at that. Getting some more there. Royal Crown. There's a lot of walleye in here. And trash.
Cell phone.
Oh, you got a phone too? Yep. Sweet. Thank you. Samsung?
Looks like it's been in there for too long.
A lot of walleye. 3 or 4 so far. Oh, cool. A Foster buck or something? Madison, Wisconsin. Woo! Head back upriver a little ways and then come back. Face freezing? Head?
No.
Liar.
Getting a little chill in the upper body.
At least we're finding stuff, that's cool. What is this? Oh, cool.
Blue glass is broken off. Look at it, it's still got a cork there.
What?
Pretty.
Sunrise right here.
As long as you stay in the middle right there.
It's we're going this way, the weeds are facing this way, so you can find stuff under the weeds too. They're everywhere in there, you just can't see them. Nice sand anchor. Yeah, I saw bass this year too. Just got out of the Yahara River in Madison, Wisconsin. Me and Jason went in there diving for about an hour and we pulled a lot of stuff out. Check it out. So we filled the kayak up today. Jason pulled his tire out here. I pulled the anchor out. Got some bottles here. Really cool one right here. It says Mansfield Coffee Co., Madison, Wisconsin. Also I have a Fowler Bach from Madison, Wisconsin. Pretty neat. Some metal here. Improvised anchor. Got a Royal Crown Cola, RC Cola. Sunrise. This is a wine bottle right here. It says wine on the bottom and cool designs on it. Some kind of arrow here. Flip phone. Cassette tape. Bunch of other trash. Metal, plastic, cloth. All kinds of stuff. Jason got a couple bottles over here also. I want to point out this really cool blue one right here. Has the cork still in it and it says Bromo, Seltzer, Emerson on it. Were you pretty bummed out you didn't get the whole thing?
Yeah, no, yeah. I was hoping it would have been full because it's hard to find blue glass.
Definitely. Jason got another bottle here. It says CeLo on it, C-E-L-O. Got a bunch of other bottles and glass here. More trash in here. And he found something kind of cool today.
A Samsung cell phone.
Nice.
It looks almost brand new.
It does actually. No water in it?
There's no water in it, so maybe you'll dry it out and see if it works.
Yeah.
Charge it up.
Nice find, man.
Yep.
That's better than my flip phone. And I think I remember having one of these when I was younger, just like this kind. Pretty fun time in the river. Now it's time to get out of here, get all the stuff off, get ready to go speak to a group of people tonight.